Visiting Goa in August. Part 3 Activities, Nightlife, Food. 1. Top activities to try in August. A. Monsoon trekking. August is the perfect time for hiking through lush landscapes. Chorla Ghat Trek, Western Ghats with misty viewpoints. Tamdisula Trek, a temple and waterfall combo. Netravali Wildlife Trek, Nature Lovers Paradise, Bee Spice Plantation Tours. August brings out the richest aromas in spice gardens. See cashew, cinnamon and cardamom plantations. Learn from local guides about Goan agriculture and traditions. See river cruises, kayaking. Mandovi River Cruise, live music, cultural dance and Goan vibes. Kayaking, paddle through mangroves and serene backwaters in light rain. D. Art craft workshops. Pottery making, painting or Goan cooking classes. Great way to connect with local culture. 2. Nightlife in August. Even though it's monsoon, Goa's nightlife still has its magic. A. Beach shack parties. Some shacks at Anjuna and Baga stay open during the rains. Enjoy live music, DJ nights and monsoon breezes. B. Pubs, clubs. Tito's Mambos, Baga, great for dance lovers. LPK Waterfront Nerul, the scenic riverside parties. Cohiba, Condolim, salsa nights and live bands. C. Silent disco. At Palolem Beach, everyone gets headphones with different music channels, dancing in sync but with personal beats. D. Casino nights. Deltine Royal Casino Pride, floating casinos on the Mandovi River with live games and shows. 3. Goan food experiences in August. A. Seafood specialties, fish curry, rice, Goa's signature comfort food. Richado masala fish, spicy tangy marinated fish. Prawan balchow, tangy spicy prawn pickle. B. Vegetarian options. Sambar rice, Goan style, Konkani twist on South Indian staple. Mushroom security, monsoon special with seasonal wild mushrooms. C. Desserts, bibinka, layered coconut dessert. Dodol, coconut and jaggery sweet pudding. D. Local drinks, feni, cashew or coconut liquor. Urak, seasonal light spirit, fresh and fruity. 4. Practical tips for activities, food in August. Feni, cashew or coconut liquor. Urak, seasonal light spirit. Confirm availability of water activities. Some are paused due to rough seas. Ask locals for open shacks and restaurants during monsoon. Choose fresh seafood from well-reviewed places. Carry valid ID for casino and club entries. 10-day August itinerary for Goa. Visiting Goa in August, 7-day monsoon itinerary. Day 1, arrival first impressions. Check into your hotel in North, South or Central Goa. Relax and enjoy your first monsoon beach walk. Evening, Mandovi River Cruise with live music dance. Dinner, local seafood thali at a Goan restaurant. Day 2, Old Goa Heritage visit Basilica of Bom Jesus and Sea Cathedral. Explore Fontainhas Latin Quarter, photography heaven. Have Goan snacks at a local cafe. Evening, stroll along Miramar Beach or casino visit. Day 3, Waterfall Adventure early morning trip to Dudhsagar Waterfall. Visit a spice plantation on the way back. Evening, rest or light shopping at Panjim Market. Day 4, North Goa Beaches Nightlife. Visit Baga, Kalangute and Anjuna beaches. Explore Anjuna Flea Market if open. Night, Tito's, Mambos or LPK Waterfront for a party night. Day 5, South Goa Serenity. Relax at Palolem, Agonda or Kolva Beach. Enjoy kayaking or a boat ride if weather allows. Sunset at Betel Batim Beach. Dinner, beach shack with candlelight setup. Day 6, Offbeat Goa. Ferry to Diwar Chorao Islands, visit Salim Ali Bird Sanctuary. Try a Goan cooking class or art workshop. Evening, silent disco at Palolem if staying in South Goa. Day 7, shopping farewell. Morning, souvenir shopping at Mapusa Market or Panjim. Quick visit to any missed attractions. Relax with a last beach coffee before departure. Extra tips for the itinerary. Keep buffer time in case of heavy rain. Carry waterproof bags for electronics. Have a mix of indoor and outdoor plans. Always check weather forecasts for long trips. Visiting Goa in August. Why it's worth it. 1. The monsoon magic of Goa. August falls right in the heart of the monsoon season in Goa. The rains turn the whole state into a lush green paradise. Fresh greenery. The Western Ghats and coconut groves look picture perfect. Cool weather, temperatures range between 24 degrees to 29 degrees C, perfect for sightseeing without the summer heat. Romantic vibe, rain-washed beaches, misty hills and drizzling evenings set the perfect mood. 2. Less crowds, more peace. Unlike December or January, August is not peak tourist season. You get beaches almost to yourself, no long queues at popular attractions. Perfect for couples, families, and solo travelers looking for peace. 3. Budget-friendly travel. Since it's off-season, hotels and resorts offer heavy discounts. Luxury hotels at half the usual price. Better bargaining power for taxis, bike rentals, and activities. 4. Nature at its best. Waterfalls in full flow. Dudhsagar, Netravali, and Tamdi waterfalls are breathtaking during August. Backwaters, rivers, boat rides through mangroves, and lush countryside are extra scenic. Wildlife sanctuaries. The Salim Ali Bird Sanctuary and Bhagwan Mahavir Wildlife Sanctuary are vibrant and active. 5. Perfect for offbeat exploration. The rain adds charm to Goa's lesser-known spots. Hidden beaches like Butterfly Beach or Palolem Beach feel almost private. Villages with Portuguese-era houses look even more magical in the rain. Spice plantations are at their aromatic best. 6. Things to keep in mind. Carry a light raincoat or poncho. Showers can be unpredictable. Wear quick dry clothes and waterproof footwear. Some water sports may be unavailable due to rough seas. Opt for safe transport during heavy rain. Avoid riding a scooter in slippery conditions. Visiting Goa in August. Stay sightseeing. 1. Where to stay in August? A. North Goa for vibe nightlife. Best for party lovers, backpackers, and those who want a lively atmosphere. Beaches Baga, Kalangute, Anjuna, Vagator. Pros: nightlife, beach shacks, water sports, limited in monsoon. Cons: can be noisier than South Goa. Recommended areas to stay. Baga Kalangut, budget to mid-range hotels, great for easy access to food nightlife. Anjuna Vagator, more laid-back bohemian vibe, boutique stays. B. South Goa for peace nature. Perfect for couples, honeymooners, and those seeking relaxation. Beaches Palolem, Agonda, Kolva, Betalbatim. Pros: quieter, scenic, clean beaches, luxury resorts at off-season prices. Cons: nightlife options limited compared to North Goa. Recommended areas to stay. Palolem, Agonda, peaceful, picturesque, ideal for long walks. Kolva, Benaulim, good mix of tranquility and local culture. C. Panjim, Central Goa, colorful Latin Quarter, perfect for photography. D. Offbeat experiences. Spice plantations, rich aromas and monsoon freshness. Diwar Chorao Islands, countryside charm and ferry rides. Bird sanctuaries. Salim Ali Bird Sanctuary is active during rains. 3. Travel tips for staying sightseeing in August. Book hotels with good indoor amenities in case of heavy rain days. Keep some flexibility in your itinerary. Weather can change quickly. For waterfall trips, wear sturdy waterproof shoes. Always carry a small umbrella or poncho in your day bag. Best for travelers who want